Bitter melon doesn't sound very good to me. Bitter anything doesn't sound good.
I do something silly like that, you laugh hysterically.
Hello guys! Hapon na naman and open natin yung mga bintana dito para mapasukan ng araw dito sa loob kasi ang lamig. Kaloka. Sobrang lamig kasi. So, inopen ko yung mga bintana namin. Lagi kasi yan siya guys, mga naka-close. So, para minsan mainitan naman dito. So, ano ba yung ano namin? Nasa 70 pala eh. Lagay natin. Ilagay ko sa today is Monday guys. Ayan, 55. Yes?
Here's my phone.
Your phone?
What are you hiding?
No, I was supposed to give it to you, but it suddenly stopped ringing. I'm going to come.
You were trying to hide it from me.
No, I will not hide it. I heard you going down, so that's why I'm holding it.
Okay.
Do you want this one?
I don't know.
Bitter melon.
I don't know anything about it.
Why you don't know it? It's bitter melon.
Well, bitter melon doesn't sound very good to me. Bitter anything doesn't sound good.
It doesn't mean it says bitter melon and it's already bitter. Other people cook it, if you just cook it right, it's not bitter. But really, it's bitter if you don't. No, but other people like it because of the nutrients that it has. Look, it smells like what?
I'm gonna probably eat it. But I've got kind of tonight, so I don't need to eat a lot for lunch.
Okay.
What about just?
We also had Mexican takeout yet last night. That's why I'm cooking this one. Instead, you don't like. If in case you will not like this, you can eat the Mexican food that we had last night.
Okay.
You don't you like the Mexican takeout last night?
Yes.
You like it?
Yes, but I figured you'd want to eat it.
No. I take it out for you because I'm planning to cook this one today. I don't want to eat out again tonight. We just ate out yesterday. I want to eat at home. Oh, I'm going to cook this because I have the oil in the pan that has a bacon that I cooked yesterday. And I'm going to fry this there. Oh my goodness. Are we going to the chiropractor today?
Yeah.
We can go next time.
I'm going today because I need to get an adjustment no matter what. So if you want to go, it's up to you.
Okay.
Are you going, yes or no?
Because my chest is hurting. If the doctor is going to push my back, it's like, ooh, ooh. Hi guys, Monday ulit ngayon. It's January 7. And maganda yung weather. Maaraw naman siya pero medyo malamig ngayon. And Lunes na naman. Normally tuwing Webes, twice a month kami pupunta sa chiropractor. Pero today kami pupunta Monday. Kasi dapat last week kami mayroong appointment. Pero parang wala yung chiropractor doon. So nireschedule ni Charles at gusto niya ngayong Monday. Si Charles nakaligo ng aga. Alas 2 pa lang ng hapon guys. And aalis kami mamaya mga 4 PM. Ay, nakakatamad tong araw. Tinatamad nga sana ako pumunta kasi meron akong dalaw today. And then, kapag may dalaw ako, masakit yung dibdib ko. Mamaya, papadapain ka doon. Tapos, i-adjust. Sabi ko sa kanya, ayokong pumunta. Pero, naligo na siya. Nag-ready na. Kaya siguro, mapipilitan na lang akong pumunta today. Tsaka kasi, dapat last week pa yun eh. Hindi ako na-adjust. So, kailangan pumunta today. And, ano pa? Ay, mag-ano ako. Mag-shoutout lang muna ako, guys, sa mga laging nanonood sa atin. At saka, sa mga nagko-comment. Hello, guys. Salamat sa inyong lahat, sa inyong panunood. Gagawin ko lang na Tagalog vlog. Itong vlog na to ngayon kasi sobrang daming nagre-request sa inyo na mag-Tagalog. So, pag-edit ko nito, I will try na lalagyan ko siya ng subtitle. Tingnan natin kung mag-work. Para pag nag-work siya, pwede na ako mag-Tagalog palagi. Para madaming sasayang taong nagre-request. So, hi Catherine Erwin. Hello sis. Kakabasa ko lang ng message mo and then kaka-reply ko lang din. Maraming salamat sa panonood at maraming salamat sa iyong comment. And also, meron tayong mga ibang bago dito. Hi to Englishman in Malta. So, he has a very nice channel, guys. If you wanted to visit his channel, you can see a lot of beautiful places. And hello, thank you so much for watching as well. And hello to George Skierski. Ayun. And, sino pa ba? I have a lot of... I've been wanting to reading a lot of comments right here. Sino pa yung bumahing si Charles? So, mamaya ulit guys, magbabasa ako ng mga ibang comments. And then, ayun. Dapat talaga, mayroon akong listahan, pero lagi kong hindi nalilista. Pag nabasa ko yung comment, I was like, it's a shout out ko to. And then, sabi ko, isusulat ko. Makakalimutan ko siya. And then, pag mag-vlog na ako, wala na yung listahan ko, nakalimutan ko na ulit siya. So, ayun. Let's slice it out. Why are you looking like that?
It looks weird.
It's weird. What's weird?
What? How do you eat this stuff?
You're going to eat it. It's like... No, you're going to remove them and throw them.
So all you eat is the shell? Oh.
No, this is not a fruit. I'm going to cook it. I'm going to fry
I'm asking
it.
you, what do you eat? You just...
Yeah.
You eat the shell?
Yeah, it's not a shell. I don't know what they call this.
The outside of it? Whatever.
Yeah. So, ayan guys, meron tayong bacon. Tutorta natin yung ating ampalaya. And then, fry tayo ng bacon. So, ito na yung bacon. Luto na siya. Ano natin, lagyan natin sa plate para ma-absorb yung oil. There. Ayan. Yung merong crumbs ng bacon, lagyan natin dyan. Diyan natin ipiprito ang ating ampalaya. So, ito guys, sinuna ko yung ampalaya. Piprituhin ko siya. Ano ba? Ayan, yung ampalaya natin. Ayan. So, ayan na guys, medyo nagpa-brown na siya sa ilalim. So, balik na rin natin siya. Gusto ko siya maging ganito, yung parang brown-brown. So, yan ang sikreto ko kung bakit hindi siya mapait. Inaano ko muna siya, parang piniprito ko muna siya, pinapa-brown ko siya. Mga 4 na itlog. pepper. Salt. Ayan. Huwag masyadong madami kasi mayroon tayong bacon and medyo may lasa na yung bacon. So ito guys, ika-crumbs natin. As you can see, ito putol na kasi guys yung kalahati, pinapak ko na siya. Kinain ko na. Hindi ako makapagantay. Pinapak na and then ika-crumbs natin siya. Ito. Ayan. Crumbs natin siya guys. So, na-crumbs na yan. Siyempre, titikman natin kung masarap yung ating bacon. Ayan. Ito, madalian lang ito. And then, ilagay natin yung ating ampalaya. Halo natin. And then, ilagay natin ang ating bacon. Ang ating bacon. Lati lang. Siguro dapat gagawin ko tong frittata next time. Ayan. Lagyan natin siya ng egg. Egg. Yan na yung ating tortang ampalaya. Okay na siya guys. Ganyan lang. Yan. So here's our ampalaya omelette guys, or bitter melon omelette, tortang ampalaya. Smells good guys. Sarap. Sana magustuhan ni Charles. Could you taste this first? Come on. Just taste it. Come on.
No.
Yeah, come on,
My
taste it.
stomach has been messed up today, and I don't want to take any chances.
Oh my goodness, oh my husband.